Hi, I'm Tiffany, and we've gotten another Vegan Cuts box. Now, this came yesterday. I was really excited, but I couldn't eat it because my cameraman, he fell asleep. Say hello to my cameraman, that's Josh.
Sup?
So, we have some guests with us today. We have Lucky and Blue, he just got a haircut, and Shimkers, and we're going to open the Vegan Cuts box and see what we got. Shall we? What's in the box? Okay. What have we got in here? Ooh. Bean and rice chips, nacho. Bean fields. Look at that! I'm going to have a tomato sandwich with these for dinner, I think.
Sweet.
Wait. Bean Fields family owned bean and rice chips. That looks really tasty, doesn't it, Blue? Very tasty. And then sweet and salty small batch kettle corn. That looks tasty too. In love with snacks. Oh, these are gonna be yummy. This is Saffron Road Wasabi Crunchy Chickpeas. Ooh,
Yummy.
wasabi.
Wasabi.
Wasabi. You're not getting none of these.
Yeah, Blue.
Nope.
Your face.
No wasabi chickpeas for you.
Ha ha.
What's this?
Turd.
Ooh, something for breakfast tomorrow. Organic superfood. Oat-based cereal. Oh, there's a spoon included.
Superfood.
Hemp milk powder. And what else is in it? Coconut palm sugar and cacao nibs and ooh. That's a good healthy breakfast with some of those bananas that I have. Ernest Eats. Now, I was looking at these on the Vegan Cuts website. They look really tasty.
Superfood.
Dark choco mint. Ernest Eats.
Ernest Eats.
Ernest Eats.
Yum.
Ooh, I was looking at these too. Journey Bar. Sesame ginger. I think I had one of these at school at the little cafe that they have. Very nice. Do you want some? Nope.
Do it.
Psych! Ooh. Then I have a Dreamy Vegan Delight. Oh, look, he wants some. Did you see that? He tapped me on the arm. Dreamy Vegan Delight, freshly baked, organic, and gluten-free. Do you want some of that? Ginny Bakes.
Ginny Bakes.
Ginny Bakes cookies.
Ginny Bakes.
Wow, there's still more stuff in here. Ooh.
Ooh.
Ooh. Ah. A Gras Bar. Raw sprouted energy. Banana coconut. Banana coconut. Very nice. Very nice indeed. What'd you think? Ooh, there's still something else. Crystal Body Deodorant Towelette. Very nice. I was looking for an alternative. Very nice. Natural odor prevention.
Sweet.
Yep. This way I don't have to worry about getting cancer from my deodorant stick.
What?
Ooh, Ticino herbal coffee hazelnut. Again, I get coffee. I don't think I need any. Do you?
Nope.
Nope. Stop trying to eat the box. Gonna fit in the box? Happy Snacktastic Voyage. Win a free box. Ahoy, all snacks on deck. And that would be it. Thank you, Vegan Cuts. Look at all this stuff. You want to get a picture of all that? That is awesome. We'll take a picture later. Blue wants all the goodies. He wants all the Vegan Cuts goodies. He's like, give it to me. They're mine.
They're not yours.
Thank you so much.
That's a lot of goodies.
It is a lot of goodies.
There we go.
Bye.